In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best AI wallpaper apps for Android. If you're looking to give your device a fresh and unique look, these apps offer stunning, high-quality wallpapers generated by artificial intelligence. Let's get started. AI Wallpaper, 4K VHD Wallpaper. AI Wallpaper, 4K VHD Wallpaper is a fantastic app that leverages artificial intelligence to generate stunning, high-quality wallpapers. The app offers a vast collection of 4K and HD wallpapers across various categories, including landscapes, abstract art, and more. Users can explore wallpapers tailored to their preferences, thanks to the app's intelligent recommendation system. The user-friendly interface allows easy navigation, and users can also download or share wallpapers with just a few taps. With its focus on quality and personalization, this app is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their device's background. Zeel Walls AI Wallpapers. Zeel Walls AI Wallpapers is an innovative app that provides a rich selection of AI-generated wallpapers. The app stands out for its unique designs and vibrant colors, making it easy to find something that fits any mood or aesthetic. Users can browse through multiple categories or search for specific themes, ensuring a diverse range of options. Zeel Walls also updates its gallery regularly, featuring new creations to keep the content fresh. The app is designed with a straightforward interface, allowing users to easily save and set wallpapers as their background without any hassle. "4K AI Wallpapers, PhoneWalls." 4K AI Wallpapers, PhoneWalls offers a stunning collection of AI-generated wallpapers in high resolution, perfect for making your smartphone look visually appealing. The app features a large library of dynamic and engaging wallpapers that are updated frequently to provide users with new options. With a focus on quality, all wallpapers are available in 4K resolution, ensuring crystal-clear visuals on any device. Users can easily search for specific types of wallpapers or explore curated collections, and the simple, intuitive interface makes setting a new wallpaper quick and easy. This app is ideal for individuals who appreciate aesthetic visuals and want to keep their device looking fresh. Thank you for watching our video on the best AI wallpaper apps for Android. We hope you discovered some fantastic options to personalize your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.